Did you know that there are over 1 billion electric motors on our planet right now? And it's estimated that there will be another billion added next year, and each year after. And as much as technology has rapidly evolved in the past 100 years, not much has changed about electric motors. Today's innovators are still limited by outdated technology. That is, until Boston-based startup ECM PCB Stator technology developed a revolutionary new approach to electric motors. What if I told you that there was a way to make these billions of motors lighter, smaller, more energy efficient, and better for the environment? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me explain. It's called a PCB Stator, and it uses less raw materials to deliver more power more efficiently than a traditional electric motor. Now, a PCB stator, or printed circuit board stator, is similar in construction to PCBs you may find in your phone or laptop. But what is a PCB stator, and how does it work? Traditionally, electric motors require large amounts of copper wire organized into coils. And the interaction of these copper coils and magnets produces the motor's torque and speed. But these chunks of copper are inefficient, having winding designs that lead to massive energy waste and require excessive raw materials. So, that big copper block? Yeah, that's gone. And it's replaced with ECM's new ultra-thin PCB Stator disc. Now, instead of designing electric motors with the limitations of winding copper wire, PCB Stator motors utilize PCB technology to optimize the placement of copper throughout the stator, only putting copper exactly where it is needed, resulting in higher efficiency machines that only need a fraction of the copper. Yes, PCB Stator motors are up to 70% lighter than conventional options, and achieve efficiencies as high as 96%, all while requiring just 20% of the raw materials. So, what does this mean for you? Well, this means fan systems in your home that use less energy and save you money. It means electric vehicles that are better for the environment and go farther on a single charge. This means robots that do more work with less resources, producing vital goods at affordable prices. This means billions of motors that use less energy and produce less waste. And that means doing something bigger with something smaller. To find out more, visit PCBstator.com or check out any of these videos. Let us know what questions you have about PCB Stator electric motors in the comments.